What's going on, everybody? It's Chris from Out West with Chris, back out on the California Delta, fishing out of Sugar Barge again today. It's been about, I don't know, 10 days since my last trip out here. Since then, all sorts of stuff has happened in the world, and you know, do my social distancing thing right now. Let's just see if we can find some fish. Let's get after it. 3 hours to fish, something like that. Got to stay kind of close. I left my light in the truck. I left my bump board, and I don't have my fish finder, so I left a lot of stuff. I even left my sunglasses. I'm a dummy. I was just in a hurry. I didn't think I was gonna get out today. I think we got a bite. Ooh, we might have got a bite right there. Just maybe a little nick. There's so many people out on the Delta right now with this coronavirus thing. For some reason, there's a little fish that looked at it. For some reason, they shut down a lot of the local lakes. So, the Delta's been kind of the place to be because it's one of the only places open right now. So lots of pressure out here is basically what I'm trying to say. Anyways, we'll work through that. Not a big deal. Well, I still just have that one bite from that little tiny fish right at the beginning of the day. That's all I got. So I'm kind of trying to get through some of this stuff kind of quick. I've thrown a chatterbait and I've thrown the jig. And back to the Senko. Back to the Seiko. And I'm really hating life right now because I don't have those damn glasses. Left them at home. What was I thinking? There's a little baby. So we're not skunked. I count these as being not skunked. Hopefully we can upgrade in size sometime today. That looks like it'll work. Got a little dink on the jig. Skinny little guy. He really needs to grow. Man. Chomped it though. Oh man, maybe we can upgrade. I'm throwing the jig for a little bit now. Just on the outside edge of the Tules. Oh, there's a fish. Damn. Whew. Have I been doing this all wrong lately? Jeez. Man, that's 2 casts in a row, 2 bites. Did not set the hook on that guy. That was all my fault. Little baby. Jeez, this might be the smallest of the day. And that is saying a lot because I've caught some small fish today. Yeah, there's a fish. He felt big for a second, but he's not. Gosh dang. dinks. Okay, we got a decent one on. Get, damn. Feisty, decent one. Get over here. Fudge. Under the boat. Get back out here. Come here, girl. Come here. Don't jump again. Get in there. Ooh, that's a good fish. Oh, yeah. Man. Good snag with the ego. We're gonna weigh her just because we don't have a measuring board. But look at this girl. Look at that girl. Damn. Yeah, good fish. Okay. Oh, shoot. This thing keeps turning off really fast on me. All right. 5 pounds. 5.2 pounds. 5.2 pounder. Snap some pictures. So here she is, 5.2 pounds. Gorgeous fish, nice and healthy. Oh, she's feisty. Yeah, she's feisty. There she goes. Whew. Made the dinks worth it. Got it on the Senko, just outside of the Tules. Jig would have worked on that fish too. Senko and a jig bite are kind of similar, especially for fishing them in the shallow cover around the Tules and stuff. So I'm gonna keep fishing this line right here, and I think I found some decent water. So hopefully we can catch a few more before the sun goes down. It's gonna go down pretty quick, and I got to be back over there before it gets too damn dark because I don't have my light. So let's see if we can find 1 or 2 more. Liking the new Ego net. Kind of wish the basket on it was a little bit bigger. I actually have another head for this, and it's pretty cool because the heads are interchangeable. I might switch it out, but that one's just huge. That one's one that I've kind of thought I would get for big trout, trophy trout fishing. Man, right when I first hooked that fish, I thought it was probably like a 2.5, 3 pounder. Didn't really fight like a 5 until I got the camera on and it decided to make a couple runs and jump and, you know, just all that fun stuff. Yeah, that damn sun's going down way too quick. I was recording, but yeah, I airmailed that hook set. Sorry, dude. You need to grow though, bro. Grow. There's another little fish. Not the littlest of today, but at him. He's pretty. Calm down, dude. Chill. Oh, hook's already out. All right, y'all, that's gonna wrap it up for me. I'm in the truck. I'm gonna pull down to the ramp and get the kayak loaded up. There's a lot of crap going on in our country right now and across the world, you know. It's crazy times, but don't let it get you down. It's easy to get wrapped up in that crap. So if you're wrapped up in it, you're not in a good mindset, try to get out and go fishing, you know. Take a walk, go for a hike, grab your kids and go for a bike ride or something. So anyways, that was the purpose of my day, to get away from all of this virus crap and the negative stuff that's out there and just go out for an evening and catch a fish. I did it. Happy with it. Even though most of the fish I caught were dinks, I caught one solid fish and I'm pretty stoked about that one. So if you guys have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section down below. Thank you guys for watching. And as always, thanks for getting out west with Chris.